Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla. And if you are ready to turn your big idea into a driving business, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to write a business plan that works. This is the exact plan that can help you get the funding you need. Let's say 50,000, 100,000 plus. So basically, you need to sell your business. That way, funding companies can approve you and give you the money you need. Whether you are starting out or growing your business, by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the key section you need in a business plan and how to put them together in a way that makes an impact to the funding company. So stick around until the end and let's dive in. So first things first. Let's talk about why a business plan is important. Your business plan is not just a bunch of paper that you're just going to turn to the bank or investor. I mean, this is for you. That's the first thing that you need to understand. It's not just to sell the idea of your business to investor or financial institution. It's to help you outline your goals, understanding the market, and understanding exactly how you are going to make money. Without a plan, you are kind of in the air. Your idea is in the air. I mean, you might not even have everything put together. When you write it down, when you kind of put everything in, organize it in, and you have everything crystal clear, when you are crystal clear, the better your plan and also the better your chances of getting funding and building a successful business. So, on the other hand, if you are not, and if you have everything in the air, you are just guessing. You are hoping, you are expecting, you are just, making this idea, but it's not going to be a concrete one. It's not going to be a solid one. So you are just guessing that in business, or guessing is, it might not even good enough, because if you just have everything in the air to see if it click, it might not. So it's better that you do it the right way. Okay, so the first part of a business plan is all about providing a snapshot of your business. That's as simple as that. This is basically your executive summary. So it's going to be a brief overview of what your business is about, what your business does, what problems is solved, and what your business goals are. If you are already in business, mention how long you have been operating and the growth you have been seeing so far. This is your opportunity to hook the reader, and so keep it clear, concise, and compelling. This is the way that you can sell your idea, your business to funding companies and financial institutions. So I will tell you this. You have to start with the basics. What is this? So is what is your business? What problems you are solving, and who you are solving these problems for. So your business plans need to include a clear mission statement and a brief description of what the company does or will do. This is your chance to get the lenders or investor hook. So make it simple but impactful. The next things, you want to define the target market. Who are your ideal customer? What problems are they facing? How does your business solve those problems? The more specific you can be, the better. That way they have a clear understanding of what is going on and what is your business about, and they can see the potential in your business, and they can consider it from there. Think about your customers' age, gender, interest, and even their purchasing habits. That way you can go from there. And all of this information you cannot imagine how much detail this information can provide from your customer. Understanding your customer helps you tailor your products and or your services to meet their exact needs or expectations. And trust me, the investors love to see that you know your audience ins and out. All of the details is like I said, as more detailed and specific, the better. Now let's talk about the most important part. How do you plan to make money? Meaning revenue streams. So, how your business will actually make money. Are you selling products? Are you offering services? Maybe if a combination of both. Break down your pricing structure, your sales strategy, and any other stream of revenue you plan to develop over time. Everything that you can put in there as detailed as possible is key. They will see that your idea is really nice, is really complete. With this information as detailed as possible, they will see that your business plan is strong and impactful and it has a lot of potential. So you will also want to include any cost involved like production, marketing, and shipping, depending on the type of product you want to open or you are doing this plan for. Clear you are about how your business will make money, the more confident investor and lenders will feel about investing in your business. Investor and lender want to see that you have thought through how you are going to generate income and sustain your business. So they want to see that you are 100% invested on this and you will get the money back and more. So far, we already went to the step number one, which was the overview about your business. Step number two was know your customer. And step number three, which is how your business makes money. Now we will see step number four, which is your marketing strategy. So here is where you explain how you are going to reach your customer, what marketing strategy or method will you use. Will you rely on social media, advertising, email marketing, or maybe even traditional methods like flyers or radio ads or something like that? So you have to think all of these details. Lay out your promotional plan and make sure it aligns with your target audience. Also, if you have success with any marketing effort already, be sure to mention that too, because that way they will see that you have some experience and you have been successful on a specific marketing strategy. So it shows that you are not just guessing, but also you have a real strategy in place and it's working. With that being said, what I am telling you is marketing is key for any type of business. Your business cannot survive without customers. And they usually don't come to you just like that. They won't just come to you. You have to go get them. You have to get in a position to reach them. So in this section, explain how you will promote your business. Are you using social media ads, email marketing, SEO, maybe influencers partnership that help you out with a specific product or service? Or it's depend of what strategy you want to use, depend of your type of business. Be specific, and if you have a marketing budget in mind, mention that too. Now let's talk about funding. This is the step number five, which is how you will fund your business. So how much money do you need to start or grow your business? Whether you are seeking out a loan, investor funds, or self-financing, you need to be clear about how much money is required and exactly what you plan to spend it on. Break down how much you will need for inventory, marketing, technology, staffing, or even office space. Every single detail that you can think about, you have to write it down. A detailed financial plan shows that you know what you are doing with the money and also that you are a good investment. My point here is this is where you detail how much money you need to start and operate your business. Will you be funding it through a personal savings, loans, or investors? Break down your costs, startup expenses, operational costs, and even how you plan to use any funding you receive. Be transparent so lender and investor can see that you have thought this through and you are a great investment to take the risk with. Next, don't forget to mention who is running the show. So this is step number six, which is your team and operation. Investors and lenders want to know who is behind the business and what expertise they bring to the table. Because as a team, everyone has a hat to wear. So are you a solopreneur or do you have a team? Details the roles and responsibility and highlight any key players with experience that will help grow the business, and this will add a lot of value to your business plan. This is also where you talk about your daily operations, how your business will run from production to the customer service in every single details in the meantime. Now onto the numbers. Step 7 is financial projections. Everything numbers in business is key. So, you will need to include a financial forecast that show the potential growth of your business. This means breaking down your projected sales, profits, and expenses over the next few years. Don't worry if you are just starting out. Focus on realistic projections that are based on research. If you are already in business, show your current financial performance and project your growth based on that. Numbers speak loudly, and well thought out projection can make a huge difference and impact when you seeking funding. Finally, step number 8. Wrap it all with a clear summary of your plan. Restate your business goal and explain how the fund you are asking for will help you reach those goals. Make it easy for everyone reading your plan to understand why your business is a good investment and how you are going to make it successful. Before we go, I want to give you some bonus tips to make your business plan stand out. First, keep it clean, clear, and concise. While you want your plan to be thorough, avoid overloading it with unnecessary details. Keep it focused and to the point. The second tip is back it up with research. Investors love facts. Use market research and data to support your claims about your business and its potentials. And the tips number 3 basically is update regularly. Business plan is not one-time task. Revisit your business plan regularly and update it as your business evolves. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to writing a business plan that works. But whether you are seeking funding or just want a roadmap for your business, a solid business plan is key to your success. If this video is helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. And if you have any question, drop them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.